I'm about to try the BounceCurl line. Have you heard of it? Well, let's get into it. Heading to the shower to wash this hair. So I've cleansed my hair. I used a clarifying shampoo, I conditioned it, and I used the leave-in. This is what it looks like with just the leave-in. So now we're gonna try to hold these curls or coils in with the cream gel. I'll be back. Okay, so the cream gel was just too light. I already saw my hair was gonna frizz, so I got the defining butter and put that in, and I could see that it was giving me the hold that I needed. So now I'm just gonna let it air dry and we're gonna check it out when it's done. So here's a rundown of my wash day with BounceCurl. I washed my hair with the clarifying shampoo, then I conditioned it with the cream conditioner. Both worked really well. And then I applied the leave-in conditioner because I have to have a leave-in after I wash my hair and wash. When it came to styling, I tried to add the cream gel, but it's just too light. I knew immediately when I put it on there that it was not going to be giving me enough hold. So they had also supplied me with defining Butta. They actually say you can use for wash and goes. Although I know a lot of people use butters for twist outs and protective style. It smelled really amazing, and I used it, and it worked great. So here's second day hair. This is great for me. It's a light hold. The curls are defined. There's no frizz. I'm going to get second, third, probably even fourth day hair with this. So I have to say I'm quite happy with the wash day results from using BounceCurl. I also got some Gummies, hair and skin gummies. Excited about that. And a fragrance-free body cream.